Whenever I meet with a saver for the first time, during my assessment of their finances, I often look for monies that currently have been saved which are idle and not working for them. In other words, money that is earning little to no interest. I describe idle money this way. Imagine you're in a boat and run out of gas in the middle of the lake. The boat is now idle. It is not moving. Now, while we might argue you're not in any danger being idle, you're certainly not going anywhere either.
Heavy.
Same holds true for idle money. While savers should always have some money idle that they can quickly get their hands on in case of an emergency, you do not want too much money idle and earning little to no interest. For Christians with a strong desire to be good stewards of their money, being idle with it is one of the worst things we can do. Don't think being idle with your money is a big deal? Check it out in Matthew 25, verses 24 through 27, where Jesus concurs by sharing the story of 3 different individuals, each given a certain amount of money by their master to invest and which to steward over it. Guess which steward the master is not pleased with? That's right, the one who, out of fear and not knowing what to do with the money, buries it in the backyard. And how does the master respond to this idle money? In verse 27, basically he says, at least you could have gotten off your financial duffer and gotten me a little interest on it. To this point of being idle with one's money and not taking advantage of things to easily improve one's finances, the late great theologian Charles Spurgeon points to Proverbs 24:33, where he compares being idle to laziness and reminding us just how quickly time will pass us by, where he says, like sands from an hourglass, time passes. Life is wasted by driblets, and seasons of grace lost by little slumbers. To which I would say, hey, it's hard to get a lot done when you're idle.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips. And be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.